Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our easy drawing tutorial. In this video, we shall show how you step by step how to create a beautiful drawing of a bat and ball. Begin by drawing a large circle for the ball in the center of your paper. Next, sketch a smaller circle overlapping the bottom of the first circle to create the illusion of depth. Draw a curved line extending from the top of the ball to represent the stitching. Now let's move on to the bat. Draw a long, narrow oval shape for the body of the bat. Add a smaller oval shape at the top of the bat for the handle. Connect the two ovals with curved lines to form the shape of the bat. Inside the handle, draw a series of parallel lines to represent the grip. Add details to the barrel of the bat by drawing curved lines to indicate the wood grain. Erase any unnecessary lines and refine the shape of both the bat and the ball. Now it's time to add some shading to give our drawing depth and dimension. Shade the bottom of the ball and the opposite side of the stitching to create shadows. Use hatching and cross-hatching techniques to add shading to the bat, focusing on the areas away from the light source. Pay attention to the direction of your lines to create a realistic look. Continue adding layers of shading until you are satisfied with the result. Step back and admire your work so far. You are doing great. Now let's add some finishing touch to complete our drawing. You can also add a shadow beneath the ball and the bat to ground them. Take your time with this step and have fun, experimenting with different textures and details. Once you are happy with how everything looks, you can finalize your drawing by outlining the main shapes with a darker pencil or pen. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and challenging yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy